Overall, i-rate ko tong resume na to a 7 out of 10. Buong resume niya is single column, so mababasa to ng mga ATS, lalo na kung nag-a-apply siya through online job boards like LinkedIn, Caliber, Indeed, JobStreet. Pisahan natin sa pinakataas. Education section, okay yung format, pero I would suggest na unahin mo yung experience section. So dapat ang pagkakasunod-sunod is experience, then itong dalawa sa baba, technical skills, software and tools. Sunod yung education, tas pinakahuli itong seminars. Now let's review the experience section. Yung bullets niya is very short. Ang content ng each bullet should be action verb, then specific task or responsibility, and then result or outcome of that responsibility. So dito, naka past tense action verb naman sila lahat. Good. You've also mentioned yung specific task and responsibility. Pero kulang ka ng result or outcome of some of the bullets. Gayahin mo tong fourth bullet mo. You have a strong action verb, authored and conducted. You have the specific task and responsibility. And then you have the result or outcome sa bullet. It could be even better kung meron din metrics or impact sa result or outcome. Pero okay na rin yan. Sa technical skills, okay naman. Good. Sa software and tools, para mas mapaikli, pwede mo siyang pagtabi-tabihin and then only separate them with a semicolon. Sa seminars, okay naman. Sa mga gusto magpa-rate or review ng resume, i-DM nyo sa akin. Basta i-blur nyo yung personal info and details nyo. And also, dapat nakafollow kayo para makita ko yung resume nyo. Check out my website if you want to increase your chances of getting interviews by tailoring your resume for each job post. Visit fixresume.io.